Opal is a screen time app that you can download on your phone and your computer. And what we do is we help you focus better. We're going to help you understand better where your time goes so that when you're working, you're actually working. When you're actually being, hanging around with friends, you're actually being present in the present moment. So this is Opal. So for us, customer experience is essential. We're trying to change people's behavior, from people using their phone mindlessly, people wasting time scrolling, feeling bad about it, to using their phone intentionally, where they can actually be in control of how they spend their time, how they use technology. And so if we want to do that, we need to make sure the experience for the customers is great. When Chatbase came around, I think it was 3 years ago perhaps, I think I saw tweets from Yasser, the founder, and I was intrigued by this solution. The problem for us is we're a small team. We don't have hundreds of people to handle customer service, but customer experience is very important for us. What we wanted to do is figure out what parts can we automate or provide a self-solve tool for that's high quality, and what parts we need to focus on delivering human, personal support to. When we saw Chatbase, we thought it would be a great opportunity to do that. And so being able to decide what goes through Chatbase directly and what we need to actually call someone up for or have an email, personalized email, is super important. That Chatbase has been a great partner for us to help us do that. Opal, it's not just an app that you open and do something in it. It's an app that works all the time. And so as a consequence of that, when issues happen, we need to make sure we can actually solve these issues quickly, because we might be blocking an app at a point where someone actually really needs it. At the same time, we can't respond all the time to every single person. Chatbase is particularly helpful to be able to find the right fix for people when they're having an issue. We're very upfront about it, so when you go to the app and you start support chat, we tell you it's AI, we don't want to hide it. Essentially what that's going to allow you to do is have an immediate answer right away, but you can always contact human support as well. Our North Star is, are people having a great experience with Opal? We want to make Opal as easy to use as possible. Opal is a tool that gets used by a lot of people, but it's still pretty hard to use. It requires motivation. You have to set it up. What we want to do in the future is make sure that Opal can just work, that it's smart, that it just intervenes at the right time, that it understands you, it understands what you're trying to do right now. So that next time you get a text from a friend with an Instagram link and you open Instagram just to check that video and you get lost in the feed, we know we can actually intervene at the right time, the right message. This is what we're trying to do. This is what we're working towards. Today, most people, I think, are frustrated by the relationship technology. We love it, but we also hate it. I think we can transform that and actually create a healthier relationship with technology, where people actually feel like their phone, like their computer, like all of their technology is actually serving them, serving their purpose, serving their intelligence, their progress, their well-being. And that's really what we're looking to do with Opal.